No words can surpass the tranquility of those expressed in the above line by David Mitchell. Forests are indeed an important factor for human survival. It's not just a poetic sentiment to be wanting to be close to nature, but rather a proven fact that progress of humanity cannot continue without the holistic approach, of which forests occupy a major part. This list comprises of world's largest continuous forests. Thus, forests which are spread through a large area in isolated pockets have not been taken in account. Here are some amazing jungles, the sheer size of which will shock you out of your shoes. Number 10. Mindo-Nambillo Cloud Forest, South America. The first name on the list is of Mindo-Nambillo Cloud Forest. It is a cloud forest, which means it's much cooler and moister than a tropical rainforest. It is found in Ecuador and covers about 192 square kilometers, or 74 square miles. This cloud forest is in the neighborhood of the Great Amazonian Forest as well. With over 1,600 species of birds, frogs, and other animals, Mindo-Nambillo Cloud Forest is extremely biologically diverse, which may be because of the geographical diversity of the region as well. 9. Kinabalu National Park, Asia. Kinabalu National Park was Malaysia's first national park, and the very first place to be named World Heritage Site by UNESCO. It is about 754 square kilometers, or 291 square miles big, which means it is larger than Singapore. It surrounds the Mount Kinabalu in Malaysian Borneo, which is the world's youngest non-volcanic mountain in the world. It contains more than 4,500 species, and is considered one of the most important biological sites in the world. Kinabalu Park is widely popular among the tourists for its relative convenience. 8. Daintree Forest, Australia. Covering the northeastern border of Queensland, Australia, the Daintree is the largest continuous forest in Australia. About 1,200 square kilometers, or 463 square miles in size, and north of Cairns and Mosman, the Daintree Forest runs along the coastline of the Daintree River. Species-wise, not only more than 90% of bats and butterflies live in this forest, but it is also home to more than 10,000 insect species. Many of Australia's indigenous reptiles and birds could be found here. Named after the famous geologist and photographer Richard Daintree, this forest is an ancient relic as well. 7. Tropical Rainforest of Xishuangbanna, Asia. The tropical rainforest of Xishuangbanna is situated in the Yunnan province in southern China. It is one of the most well-preserved tropical rainforests in the world. Roughly covering an area of about 2,402 square kilometers, or 927 square miles, this tropical forest is divided into many subtypes, and contains no less than 8 types of vegetations. Under those 8 types, 58 are considered to be extremely rare. More than 3,500 types of flora have been scientifically recorded here. From the scientific point of view, this rainforest is extremely important due to it being a genetic gene bank where tropical vegetations are abundant. 6. Sundarbans, Asia. Sundarbans is about 10,000 square kilometers, or 3,861 square miles large, and occupies almost the entire Bangladesh, and about 40% of it extends into India. Sundarban has been designated as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO. It is the largest halophytic mangrove excessive water and salt-tolerant rainforest in the world. In India, the Sundarbans is recognized as a national park, tiger reserve, and a biosphere reserve, while in Bangladesh they are classified as protected forests. The home of the famous white Bengal tiger, it is the largest tiger reserve in the world. 5. Tongass, North America. Tongass is a temperate rainforest situated on the southeastern side of Alaska. It's the United States of America's largest forest, stretching up to a size of 68,062 square kilometers, or 26,278 square miles, more than the size of Sri Lanka. Made mostly of western Sitka spruce, western hemlock, and red cedar, the forest is covered with western red cedar. The Tongass has been divided into 19 designated wilderness areas. It houses one of the rarest flora and endangered fauna because of its remote location. Tongass is truly a pride of the United States of America. 4. Valdivian Temperate Rainforest, South America. With over 248,100 square kilometers, or 95,800 square miles, the Valdivian Temperate Rainforest is the third largest forest in the world. To give you a sense of perception, that is even larger than the landmass of United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. It covers a humongous area on the west coast of South America, extending mainly into Chile, but also covering parts of Argentina as well. Named after the city Valdivia, this temperate rainforest is full of underbushes of ferns and bamboos. Both coniferous, as well as deciduous trees, can be found in this rainforest, even though the most abundant of all is the evergreen angiosperm. 3. Congo Rainforest, Africa. Congo rainforest is part of the Congo Basin, in the African continent, which is about 2,023,428 square kilometers, or 781,249 square miles, which is more than the size of Alaska or Saudi Arabia. Congo rainforest is the second largest tropical forest in the world. Out of over 10,000 identified species of plants in the Congo rainforest, about 29% of them are uniquely indigenous. Close to 1,000 species of birds and more than 500 species of fishes have been recorded in here. About 500 variety of mammals has been registered. Congo rainforest is considered to be one of the most important ecological balancers. 2. The Amazon forests, South America. The Amazon forest, the most popular and well-known of all the forests in this list, and the world, the Amazon jungle or Amazonia is indeed a wonder to behold. It is a broadleaf forest and is spread through numerous countries such as Peru, Brazil, Colombia, Bolivia, Ecuador, Suriname, Guyana and Venezuela. About 7 million square kilometers, or 2,702,715 square miles large, this rainforest is a mammoth in size. The Amazon is the biggest collection of biological diverse species. It is said that 1 out of every 10 living species could be found in the Amazons. Thousands and thousands of mammals, birds, animals, and insects have been scientifically registered here. The Amazons absorbs gigatons of carbon dioxide gas. It is one of the most important factors of the world climate. 1. Taiga, Asia, Europe, North America. Taiga is technically not a forest, rather it is a biome. It's a biological and an ecological system in the form of a forest. Larches, spruces, and pines are among the coniferous trees dominant in this forest. Taiga covers most of the northern Russia and North America, below the tundra belt. In Russia alone, the land mass occupied by the taiga as Russian boreal forest is close to 12 million square kilometers, or 4,633,225 square miles, which is more than the size of China and India put together. Wow! And if we add the North American taiga as well, then the size becomes even bigger. This is truly the largest forest covering the surface of the earth. If the video looks good, then like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.